Hello students, in the last classes we have derived inductance of single phase as well as three phase transmission line. Now let us study about capacitance of single phase and three phase transmission line. Before that we have to derive the potential at a conductor in a group of charged conductors. Like we derived flux linkages for inductance, here we have to derive potential to find out capacitance. So first we have to derive potential at a charged single conductor. For that, consider a long straight cylindrical conductor A of radius r meters and it has a charge of q coulomb per meter. And the electric field intensity at a distance x from the center of the conductor is given by E is equal to Q by 2 pi x epsilon 0, where epsilon 0 is the permittivity of free space and epsilon 0 is equal to 8.854 into 10 raised to minus 12 farad per meter. So this is the equation of electric field intensity. We have to find out electric potential. For that, we know that the electric potential at a point due to a charge is the work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point, and it is done against E. So, the work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to a particular point is the electric potential. So, we know that work done is equal to force into displacement. So here the force is electric field intensity. So dW can be written as dW is equal to E dot dx, and this work is done against E. So we give a negative sign here. So dW is equal to minus E dot dx. So substitute E is equal to Q by 2 pi x epsilon 0 here. Then we will get dW as minus Q by 2 pi x epsilon 0 dot dx. So to find out W, we have to integrate this equation, and from infinity to this point R, we have to integrate this value, because the work done in bringing a unit positive charge is from infinity to a particular point. So we have to integrate from infinity to R. So W will be equal to integral infinity to R minus Q by 2 pi x epsilon 0 dx, which will be equal to integral R to infinity Q by 2 pi x epsilon 0 dx. So here when we change this sign, this integral will become R to infinity. So the potential is given by potential of conductor A, VA, is given by integral R to infinity Q by 2 pi x epsilon 0 dot dx. So this is the potential of a single conductor. Now, like we derived flux linkage of a conductor in a group of conductors, here we have to derive potential of a single conductor in a group of charged conductors. So for that, consider this figure. Consider several conductors A, B, C, D, E, etc. such that the charges on this conductor are QA, QB, QC, QD, QE, etc. So we have derived the potential of a single conductor, that is given by integral R to infinity QA by 2 pi x epsilon 0 dot dx. So what will be the potential of A due to charge QB? So when we have to find out potential at A due to the conductor B, due to the charge in conductor B, we have to consider the distance between A and B. Then this equation will become, so potential at A due to charge QB will be equal to D1 to integral D1 to infinity QB by 2 pi x epsilon 0 dot dx, and potential at A due to charge QC will become we have to consider the distance between A and C here, and that is given by d2. So potential at A due to charge QC will be equal to integral d2 to infinity QC by 2 pi x epsilon 0 dx. So to find out the overall potential between conductor A and infinite neutral plane, we have to add these all equations. Thus we will get potential at A due to a group of conductor, that is VA will be equal to integral r to infinity QA by 2 pi x epsilon 0 dx, plus due to, this is the equation of potential at A due to its own charge, then potential at A due to conductor B, this is the equation of potential at A due to conductor C. So we will get the equation as VA is equal to integral r to infinity QA by 2 pi x epsilon 0 dx plus integral d1 to infinity QB by 2 pi x epsilon 0 dx plus integral d2 to infinity QC by 2 pi x epsilon 0 dot dx plus etc. So using this equation, we have to derive capacitance of single phase as well as three phase transmission line. For inductance, we have calculated flux linkage. Like that, for obtaining capacitance, first we have to calculate the potential using this equation. Thank you.